Erokamano Kristo winodhi Homabay kama Gavana Homabay Wanga osidho ayanga chenro mar bero kuonde dak mongohore mayudore kaunti no kaka yor bero ngima jopiny ma odak kuondego. Chenro mosir e yor omenda gi bengi mar piny mangima The World Bank, piny owacho mamalo kod riwruok pinje jowagunda European Union idhi time kuonde dak machalo Shauri Yako, Makongeni, Sofia e boma Homabay, 1000 Street e boma Oyugis, Rusinga Old Town kod boma Nyandhiwa. Katend Homabay oyango ni chenrono dhi ndiko rowere ma kwan-gi ohingo 4,000 mabiro bedo katie kuonde dako. Gavana Wanga ne loso kinde mane ochako chenro e chiro ma soko Mjinga e boma Homabay.
Kamiso dwe oromo giko dwe tije chakore ka mar the loso chiro, loso drainage, loso ndara. Ber koso rach? Very pleased that we are part of several segments of the KISSET program, including the land tenure regularization that has been completed in Dhiwa and the Kindu Kijijini, which is going to ensure that residents of informal settlements have their land tenure regularized and they are issued with titles. And that has been completed and is with the Assembly for their approval. And for that, we are very thankful. And then there is a component of works, which has already, the large works which have already been awarded and will begin in the next month or so. And that is going to change the landscape of Homabay, because we have 6 informal settlements participating, from Oyugis, 1000 Street, here in Homabay, Makongeni, Shauri Yako, Sofia, Rusinga Old Town, and Nyandhiwa.